Want voice chat in your Roblox game? In 1 minute I'll show how to enable, test, and add a simple mute toggle. Open Roblox Studio, go to Home, then Game Settings, and open the Security tab. In Security, turn on Allow Voice Chat or the equivalent voice option and save your settings. Verify your creator account and make sure the Developer Hub requirements and player verification rules for voice are met. Publish your changes and confirm privacy and microphone access settings are allowed for players. Now test in Studio, play locally or with a second test account to confirm voice proximity and basic functionality. To give players control, add a local script in Starter GUI to toggle mic mute. Place a simple button in your UI. Here is a basic example to toggle mute. Use your voice API calls where indicated. The snippet updates the button state and leaves a clear place to call the voice chat API for mute control. Playtest with 2 clients in Studio or invite a friend. Click the mute button and verify audio toggles as expected. When satisfied, publish the updated place and monitor player feedback and settings in the Developer Hub. That's it, voice chat enabled and a simple mute toggle added. Subscribe for more fast Roblox guides.